Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering down the car and ensuring the key is out. This prevents accidental shorting. Open the infotainment or head unit menu and delete paired phone profiles so you can test later. Note any PINs or settings. Now remove trim around the dash with plastic pry tools. Apply steady pressure to release clips. Once done, use the small sockets to remove screws holding the head unit. Keep screws labeled. These actions isolate the system and let you access wiring without guessing which connector is which. You now remove the head unit to expose the Bluetooth module or integrated board. Locate the antenna coax and unlatch it by lifting the retention collar. This stops RF signals. Next, depress harness clips and gently unplug the main wiring harness and any USB or aux leads to avoid damage. If the Bluetooth is a separate module, unbolt and remove it. If integrated, unplug the specific Bluetooth cable or antenna to disable wireless. Make sure connectors are labeled so you can revert changes if needed. Finish by reinstalling the head unit and trim in reverse order. Tighten screws just enough to secure components without cracking plastic. Once reassembled, start the car and try to pair a phone. If pairing fails, your removal worked. If you still see Bluetooth activity, double-check the antenna connection and any inline connectors you may have missed, then inspect related fuses. If intermittent issues remain, restore the original harness temporarily and reset factory infotainment settings before retrying. This helps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.